Good teacher wait time on this. Thank you, Kelly. Again, if there's any specifics that you all want in terms of your own rubrics, I'm going to just put my email here. Feel free to contact me and even send me your rubrics if you wanted feedback. But again, if you just think about some of your thinking around rubric design, it's just really important to consider those things. Really try to think about, is the desired impact that I want students to come away with, are they being represented in my rubric? Make sure your math works. Make sure your criteria is really valuing. Try to look at your language to make sure it's clear, it's positive, it's written in the affirmative versus in the deficit language. And as much as possible, and this has so much more of an impact, if you can show them the real world work and allow the students to come up with the criteria and then say, together, we're going to craft this rubric, it means so much more than if you just wrote a really well-written rubric. If they can develop the criteria with you, it's going to stay with them. Okay, I'm getting counted out. Thank you guys so much.